So we need to increment this, and after this, we can just, sorry, I have left this here. And we need to just do this and just remove this thing and return indices, I think. Indices, yeah, I'm sure it is like this. And next thing is, well, I have never explained what the Q families are and what are, I haven't explained this code actually, like what is happening in this code. So I guess I've explained till here, and then we are going to explain from here. Like I have created another counter variable which counts each and every iteration of a loop. Then it goes through all the Q families in the Q family vector, and it just finds for the right Q family that it finds a Q family that has the VKQ graphics bit macro. So once it finds that one, it means that it found the graphics family, right? Graphics Q family. The graphics Q family must have a VKQ graphics bit macro. Yeah. If a Q has this macro, it means it is a graphics Q family. So we found it and we assigned this to the um, graphics family in our this Q family in this structure. We assigned to this uh, member, and since it is assigned to that, we are done with this. Now, for checking purposes, we are just adding is complete function, like it returns this, right? It returns like if this function can return it, and after that, we are coming over here incrementing our counter just to move to another family, right? And once we're done with this, once we found the correct one, we are breaking the loop and coming over here to um, just return the indices, and that's it. So now let's explain what the Q family actually is. So let me explain. So here we are, the Q families. Now the Q families are nothing but just a group of Qs that can process some specific type of data such as graphics Q family for graphics, presentation Q family for presentation data, etc. Yeah, that's right. Q families are nothing. They are just queues, and we use these queues just to submit commands over over GPU, and then GPU get those commands from all the queues and just process these, right? So this is actually what it is. Q family is just path to which we actually submit our commands, and that's it. So we are done.